Not all proteins are equal from both plant and animal sources. Scientists measure protein quality using scores such as PDCAAS, protein digestibility corrected amino acid score, and DIAAS, digestible indispensable amino acid score. And the results confirm that animal protein scores are very high, close to 1.0 or greater than 100%, while plant proteins typically have lower scores, less than 1 from 0.5 to 0.8. But here's the question: should you get your protein from plants or animals? Let's break the myths and find the truth about which protein really keeps you strong as you age. After age 50, we begin to lose muscle at a rate of 1 to 2% every year. By 70, that can add up to 20 to 30% of total muscle mass you have. This condition has a name: sarcopenia. It's why getting up from a chair feels harder, balance gets weaker, and recovery takes longer. Muscle isn't just movement, it's a metabolic engine. It stores glucose, burns fat, supports immune health, and even keeps your brain sharper. In short, muscle is one of your most powerful anti-aging organs. So how do we protect our muscles? With protein, the building block of life. But here's where the confusion begins. Animal protein or plant protein? Which one works better for a 60-plus body? When you eat protein, your body breaks it into amino acids, tiny molecules that rebuild your muscles, enzymes, and hormones. But not all proteins give your body the same amino acid toolbox. Some are like a complete toolkit. Others miss a few pieces to complete the puzzle. Animal proteins from meat, eggs, dairy, and fish are called complete proteins. They contain all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own, especially leucine, the trigger for muscle building. Leucine acts like a switch that turns on muscle protein synthesis, helping you rebuild what age tries to take away. They're also highly digestible, meaning your body absorbs and uses them easily. In fact, animal proteins score close to 100% bioavailability. That's like getting almost every gram you eat working for you. That's why eggs, meat, and fish are the gold standards for stimulating muscle protein synthesis in seniors. Now, plant proteins, when from beans, lentils, nuts, tofu, or grains, are powerful too, but they have a few challenges. Some lack 1 or more essential amino acids. They're harder to digest due to fiber and anti-nutrients like phytates. And they generally have less leucine, the amino acid your muscles crave to grow. That means your body doesn't absorb plant protein as efficiently as animal protein. But that doesn't mean plant eaters can't build muscle. They just need to be smart about it. Here's the good news. By combining plant proteins, like beans and rice or lentils and quinoa, you create a complete amino acid profile. And when you eat enough total protein, around 1.2 to 1.5 grams per kilogram of body weight daily, your body can still maintain and rebuild muscle effectively. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms, that's around 84 to 100 grams of protein daily, spread across your meals. Add a scoop of soy, pea, or mixed plant protein powder if you're not getting enough from food. It makes a big difference. Muscle is more than strength. It's an organ that communicates with every cell in your body. Healthy muscle releases myokines, special molecules that reduce inflammation, boost insulin sensitivity, and even protect your heart and brain. Strong muscle equals long life. So which is better, animal or plant protein? If you're over 60 and struggling with muscle loss, animal protein is more efficient for rebuilding strength because it's complete and easily absorbed. But a plant-rich diet brings powerful antioxidants and fiber that protect your heart, joints, and gut. The winning strategy? Combine them. Eat eggs or fish daily if you can, but also load your plate with lentils, nuts, and greens. That way, you feed your muscles and your long-term health. Remember, at 60, 70, or even 80, your body is still capable of growth. Feed it right, move daily, and protect your muscles. Because muscle isn't just about looking strong, it's about staying alive and thriving.